Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Copper CRM with ActivePipe. All right, so first up, to connect these two, you will need to purchase ActivePipe first, okay? As you can see here, I'm at the ActivePipe website. What we'll do here, as you can see, when we go ahead and scroll all the way down, we should be able to see integrations, okay? And as you might have noticed, under the default integrations of ActivePipe, Copper CRM is not available, okay? So what you can do here is just go ahead and click on Talk to the ActivePipe team. So just click on it. Now go ahead and enter your first name, last name. Basically fill in these informations, okay, including your email, phone number, company name, website, country, and also your product or service description, okay? Once that's done, just click on Submit right here and wait for the email that will be sent to you by ActivePipe via the email that was set in here, okay? So go ahead and open up the email once you receive it. Now, you don't have to do anything, as ActivePipe or ActivePipe representatives will do the work for you, okay? So basically, an ActivePipe admin will configure the integration on their end, setting up rules for when emails are initiated. For example, an email campaign might be triggered when a contact in Copper is assigned to a specific tag. All right, and once connected, ActivePipe will sync with your Copper contacts with every few hours. And this will include, of course, updates to contacts tag. Now, your Copper CRM will remain the source of truth, and ActivePipe right here will mirror the contact information from your CRM, which is Copper. All right, again, you'll have to contact ActivePipe right here. Just go ahead over to activepipe.com, scroll all the way down and find the Talk to Our Team button. Click on it, fill in this form, and wait for their reply. And there you have it. That is how you connect your Copper CRM with ActivePipe. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.